Okay, welcome back. We are going to have this simple project called the catching fish projects, and this is the gameplay. Okay, so we're going to have this green potato catching the fish, and then it becomes bigger and the scores. When it hit the wall, actually we go back to 0, the scores. Okay, so when it hit the black wall, it bounce back. Okay. So let's look at the code. Okay, for the green code, okay, what we have is actually we have a block called the init. The init block will check for the touching of the the red color and the black color. So when it's red color, so actually we will call a broadcast of defect y. So defect y is actually reset the score to 0 and set the size to 20%. And if let's say it's touching the black wall, okay, we will call the defect x. Okay, and else you will move, let it move. Okay. So let's look at the background. Okay. So in the background wise, what we have is actually when you click, okay, you will actually change the size to be 800%. Then you actually change the backdrop. Okay. Then you will actually detect for the x and the y for the mouse x and y. Then when we receive the move, actually will change x times minus 0.1 and y times minus 0.1. Okay, this is the speed. Okay. Then for the defect x, we actually will set to 0, and then defect y is set y to 0. Okay, the last part is the fish. Okay. So for the fish wise, when the green flag is set, we set the size again 100%. Then we set the score and the speed. Then we create clone of yourself, and then we actually create the clone, and then we wait for another 0.5 seconds. We actually delete the clone. Okay. So when you receive the move, actually what we have is actually we move the fish with different speed. Okay, using the move x and move y, and then we change x by y, and actually check if it's touch the green flag. Okay, so if you want to touch the green flag, it's called the catch block. Okay, in the catch block wise, we will change the score by 1, change the size of the, okay, then we actually broadcast speed. Okay, so this means we change the green object to be bigger, and we actually do a spiral of the fish, and then we actually let it disappear. And that's it. And hope you enjoy this gameplay, and we'll start to play again. And wish you all the best for the next week. Okay. Bye bye. See you again.